January 2025, Harbin, 6-hour extreme cold test, fearless of challenges. Round trip between Wenzhou and Harbin in 48 hours. 6-hour skill challenge, 6-hour extreme cold load test, proving our commitment to high-quality products with actions. 3-year warranty, worry-free returns, suitable for all roads and weather, ensuring your journey. This is not just an extreme cold test, but also a self-challenge for us. From Central Street to Junwang Mountain, from Wenzhou to Harbin, from the southeast coast to the polar northeast, newly upgraded gold shock absorbers, fearless in the extreme cold tests, with ultimate journey and possibilities.
无限征途，无限可能。哈尔滨极寒测试 ，Road Pro，稳驾未来。2德极寒测试。